expert in our work. When I see that the government is not doing well and we can't give lose everything Bhagwan Bharose. In this condition, if I see government is not doing something better, then we need to think about myself, about ourselves, and we have to be we now in the world of competition. We have to be very expert in our work, and I understand. As I see the condition, as I see that each and every person is trying. Here I'm going to say something. Each and every person is looking for jobs. But one thing I would like to add here: why are trying to be entrepreneurs and businessmen? I don't mean that here I'm underestimate any kind of job. And this is also one fact that. But one thing, जब देखते हैं कि कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तो we have to do everything ourselves. And as he said, after coming the prime minister of as I said, मतलब Narendra Modi, social media has come just for creating, just for earning money. I don't I understand this is also a source of earning money, but on the other hand it is also damaging the state of students. Actually, I would like to add here. But on the other hand, I also before 1 or 2 years, and anyhow I could not earn any kind of money. But now I running my phone and laptop, I can earn some money. This is all on the other hand a kind of advantage. But on the other side, if I think very deep, then I think my life is I am very distracted. यार कुछ पैसे के लिए लेकिन मैं भटक रहा हूँ. तो I think, और at the end कहना चाहूँगा कि the number of students is getting greater and we have to very competent in our work. We have to very expert. और ये in this fast moving world we have to very expert, I think.
Anything else, Mr. Want to also add some
Yeah, yes, sir.
added value?
I was just getting their knowledge, their thoughts that
उधर चले तो सामने से
You are getting this perspective from us.
Yeah.
You are very
लगता है homework लीजिए. Little bit weak, then I can say. As I said earlier, means previous class, as the increasing threat of recession is looming over our heads. That is reality. In fact, in the fact of reality, the job is directly proportional to the population. We should accept this. And why we all people, means girl and boy, they all person or all people wants to get government job. Why they want to do another job? Beside government job, there is also government can't hire like these huge jobs. Means 1,2500 crore people in the population of India is 1,2500 crore. How can government hire these people? That is one thing. And we should depend on ourselves. Yeah, government is doing wrong, we know, and all know that they have no job, government has no job, and they also don't want to create jobs because they don't help to the industrial or maybe institutes like as we see that in this pandemic of corona, all institutes are remain closed till now, and it will further close. And that is why one thing I'm wonder that what want the government wants. They want to digitalize India because everything is open and everything open, but the only in government sector they applied their rules, their instruction, all these things. But when we see the market or crowd areas, we can see the huge crowd. They will not put their instruction conditions there. Why? They want to digitalize India. They want to digitalize the education system because by this they will not need
Finally, sir, Mark Zuckerberg, at the early age of his time, he did many things. He created Facebook and many things. We can see where we are. And sir, in this area, I have not visited many places, but in our area, I see the students. I don't blame here any kind of game, cricket. I see the players playing cricket. What are you doing, bro? The player, all the boys are playing cricket whole day. What did you get? Actually, we don't focus our goals. This is one of the reasons. And I see many boys just visiting here and there, just working here and there. They spend entire time on the road. You just is waste your time. That is also first of all we need to save our time, and on that time we can do some specific work, some specific task. We need to focus on that. और मैंने पहले कहा था ना कि कहीं कहीं ऐसा होता है कि बच्चों को एजुकेशन के साथ फाइनेंस एजुकेशन दिया था, लैपटॉप पकड़ा दिया था. दे आर डूइंग सम वर्क, दे आर नॉट वर्किंग हेयर एंड देयर. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? वी आर वर्किंग हेयर एंड देयर एंड जस्ट टेक सिगरेट्स, start smoking.
Yeah, I agree all of these things, but I am not disagree with the playing games because you know
I understand if I say
playing game it's
whole day.
Whole day. This is
Playing cricket is also is very important for making your body fit. I'm not against this, but there are so many ways yeah for making your body fit, and I don't mean that there should be some specific time. Yeah, there should be some.
those who play whole day that is
ये नहीं कि सुबह गए तो पूरे दिन खेले, लास्ट में क्या खाना आगे खाते हैं.
अभी कहाँ
उसको बंद करो.
no.
ऐसे आप अगर ऐसे कहते हैं कि ठीक है फिजिकली फिट रहने के लिए क्रिकेट ठीक है, आपको लगता है आपका फ्यूचर है उसमें? आपको
I don't know about that, but those who spend full day on their games, they are doing wrong. But for at evening time we have 1 or 2 hours to play. Or if you will not play now, that means we are being शिकार हो रहे हैं हम लोग. मतलब we are victim of some disease in future because as we see Rehan sir now, because the Rehan sir who was when we talk about 3 years back or 4 years back, he was totally fit, and now he is not fit at all because he is working his whole day, and he don't give time to play. Or if he don't play, then he play game, then that is also a type of gym. That is freestyle. You will run, you will do many type of activities. So you also see Rehan sir, how was he and now how is he?
No, the playing game, I think, I don't know whether you connect with this only that if you play games, we are getting our body fit. That is not the only thing. We are also a kind of human being. We have emotions, we have feelings. So when we play some games, the emotions or the feelings basically come out with the games. So when we play and when we win the games, we really feel very joyful. So you have to also see this portion of your life, and you cannot neglect this portion also. That is also very valuable. No, I can understand that if you spend entire day playing games, I don't think this is a very good idea. Like you are born to do something, you are born to create some meaning in your life. But the problem is that I am only born to do some work. What about my feelings? मेरा feeling है क्या जो मेरे अंदर है? What about my emotions that I have? What about my life? Am I kind of machine? I'm born to do only jobs or some work, because I have also one life. I like litti chokha, so I will have it because I like litti chokha. मुझे लिट्टी चोखा पसंद है, मुझे खाने का मैं खाऊंगा. Even you are providing me burgers and pizza. If that doesn't attract me, I will not go for pizza and burger. I would enjoy my litti chokha. That is why I say that game is a natural process of giving you 2 types of things. One, that you are getting some kind of happiness by playing that game, and another thing is also that by playing these games you are naturally fit. This is not artificially. Why I do not support gyms because you are getting your body fit, but it is not artificial. It is artificial simply, I can say. But once you are fit playing this sort of game, what is called playing this sort of game and doing some free, you know, exercise, free and exercise, like we are not using any kinds of dumbbells and all these things, by pushing, by lifting yourself up and down, if you can keep yourself fit, that is fine, and that is, I can say, that is the natural way to make yourself fit.
Sir, I'm totally stand with you that all of cricket, because I saw many boys, so I said this. But especially that if you play any kind of game, then if for enjoyment, for entertainment, for bringing some happiness and for fitness, that is okay. I'm not against this, and there should be time of this. And as you said, what about my feeling? Then in this condition, I would like to say to you all, if you think, if you are trying to fulfill your feelings, then one thing, then we are also having the expectation from the others. So who is going to fulfill your expectation? There is no one to fulfill your expectation, to fulfill your dream. You will have to yourself do this work.
That's fine.